Oh, he got a big one.
Him too. Oh.
Good.
That blow up was insane.
Yeah, he sharked it.
Speak of the sauger.
Oh, that's an eater.
It is a little chilly. Got some good current. All right, crawl pappy. Let's see how she looks in the water. Oh, that's gonna get munched. I mean, that's as good as it gets, I think. Yeah.
And I got a fish. This spot there.
Catch one. Oh shit!
Big one. That's a big one.
Oh. Oh, bud, yeah, that's a
That's
nice
a nice one.
Yeah, he's a solid.
Woo!
I'd say he's 2.
Yeah, he's 2 and some change. Man, he got a face full of it.
Nice. That blow up was insane.
Yeah, he sharked it.
Oh, but I got one. Hell yeah. Oh, bud, that's a good one. Get some underwater footage.
Oh, why'd you say it was a good one?
It felt big. Oh, he felt real big.
How did I not catch him?
He wanted the crankbait. Got my first one. Just a little feller.
Bud, do you think the sauger fishing around sauger time's good in the Little Miami?
Maybe.
Or you just take the Pond Prowler and
Shit. Maybe. Oh.
Got him?
No.
That looked like one.
Yeah, I know. It sure felt like it too. I felt a big thud, then I kept reeling. It was just slack
He was
line.
swimming toward you.
I know. That's why I tried to hit him. Oh, bud. Oh,
that's a sauger.
Speak of the sauger.
Oh, that's an eater.
Oh, bud.
Speak of the sauger.
Got me a little soggy.
Little flathead.
All right, buddy. It's your lucky day.
Oh, does that sun feel hella warm to you?
Yeah.
Man.
Oh, bud.
Let's start up again.
Oh, bud.
You got something good. Big fucking sauger.
No.
I don't know. I don't know what it is.
Oh, bud.
Oh, you got something big.
I do got something big.
Here we go. We don't know what it is yet.
No!
What was it?
It was a
sauger?
big ass sauger. You gotta be shitting me.
I saw like how long it was.
I'm just gonna try to shoot through this little gap. Oh, bud, watch your rod. Just like that, bud.
Oh, there's another one. Oh, bud, you got
one. Get him, bud. Oh, bud.
Sauger? Smallmouth.
No.
Good one, too. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Don't hook me.
Oh, that was close.
Well, guys, so far, the ones we have been catching.
Yeah, they're good, but we hand me them pliers. All right, all right.
So far, I mean, I'll take. No,
That's a nice one, really.
that is fine.
Pound and a half. What'd I do?
Nothing. I thought you sucked up my line.
Sucked up your all in the troll emitter.
Yeah.
That would have been your fault anyways.
Doug, what are you doing?
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Oh! Oh, but I still got him. Oh, but that's a good one. Oh, get up in here, baby. Oh, he came off.
He did come off.
I think he did too.
He came off and was fucking beelining it.
Let's go. I mean, that's a good one. For the creek.
That's a dandy.
He's got a big old mouth for a smallmouth too. Like, it's like, to me that seems like a little bit bigger than usual.
They're all like real lean up here though.
Oh, buddy. Yeah, bud, throw your little. Oh, bud, it's a good one.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Watch out, bud. Oh, bud.
That's got a good one, looks like. Sauger. Sauger master. Same thing.
They just like turn sideways or
I
something.
think they just like plow their head into the nearest rock.
I got him on the old stop and go. Him too. Oh.
Good?
Yeah, he's like beating himself on a rock though.
Oh, bud.
Oh, bud. What the bud?
Oh, bud's got
Oh,
big
bud.
catfish.
Oh.
That crankbait catch everything.
Oh, hell. I was like, this feels fucking weird. Nah, I know he ain't coming off.
Whiskers. Man, he munched it.
He did. Look at that.
Big head.
Hold him up, bud. Thumbnail.
That one.
He's got a big old honking in
There's
there.
like a deep hole in there, like right past that shadow.
Oh, that was sweet.
Yeah.
Let's say they're up on the bank. Get a good close bank shot.
He cracked it. Got him. That's oh, you got a big one. Uh-oh.
It's a big sauger, I bet.
Come on now. I got a little smallmouth now. Let's go. Oh, it is. Big smallmouth.
Oh, he's got barely hooked. I'm not losing.
Smallmouth.
Ah!
Got him.
Oh, nice.
Eat mine. Put his tail in his mouth.
Let's go.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
16.
Oh, bud, watch out. Be careful, bud. We'll take one like that all day. For sure. There she goes.
That was a good one.
I said I'll cast up shallow. I guess we'll just keep casting. Might as well. They're like all friends. It's one big happy community in here. What, how many species do we pull out of this hole?
Sauger.
Sauger, catfish, perch.
4.
Yeah, it's crazy.